welcome. In this video I will show you how to you solve your biggest problem on Zulu network. So here is many people I'm seeing on the other telegram channel out of our telegram channel that exactly native Zulu network, telegram channel. So here if you noticed every people's facing the same problem, therefore I'm creating this video for you. So now if you noticed here, how is the solution? So what is their solution? This thing like bridging problem. So every people like doing commenting here about that certain problem, about bridging problem. 1500 point they give through that bridging, therefore people are so passionate about this thing. So maybe you are seeing everything they are talking about, like airdrop here, like testnet we called. So here I just creating this video for solving that exactly that problem. So how do you do that? Everything I will show you today. So you will have end of the day a good amount of point, and you can convert that point into your Zulu. Maybe Zulu would be their native token or network, whatever. But that point that you are earning now, it's your Zulu. It's your like asset now. So how do you do that properly? I will show you today. So okay, so uh, come back on our one telegram channel through comment box. I already put my telegram channel links on the comment. Check out this video's comment box. Okay, and maybe you are already participate in the Zulu network, thank you for that. And I've already here shared my latest airdrop, like Zulu giant alias. It's my biggest airdrop, therefore I pin post it. So here with Zulu post here. So I already posted on telegram for my telegram subscriber. And now go to your browser where you have a like extension Unicet and MetaMask, and you do their your Zulu network task. Okay, so now I'm in breeze space. You already know about everything maybe, therefore I paused everything, just showing you exactly the certain problem, that how you can solve that problem. So now if I to breeze here this amount 0 0.1234567 and on, and here if I put my EVM wallet address, it's called like MetaMask, your Ethereum BNB network, Polygon, your like primary address that is in the EVM. So here is my my amount has been wrong. So if I put this one, okay, click on transfer, and it's loading pretty much. If it is not work, I'm showing you. Okay, now I'm in my one board. So here what should you do? That I already completed one task, daily sign in. So now if you come here, breeze option here, three dot option, click on right topper option, and at the list, the underneath option breeze, click on there. And here what should you do? Just connect your PTC BTC wallet here. So click on BTC testnet and click on your Unicet wallet, and it will bring into inside of the Unicet, and put your password they will want to from you. So click on unlock, and here your BTC will pop up. Okay, so now if I do raise this certain amount 6 7, and here if I put my EVM exactly that on and click on transfer, it will bring into inside of the uh, the transaction page. So click on sign, and click on sign, and your task has been done. Okay, so I will suggest you the amount you do brace, because the due to low amount of BTC faucet nowadays is giving the website that is so like too low, so low. So therefore I would suggest you put your at least number, okay, 3 4 5 6 6 7. If I put 7 8, it's too low. It is list, and copy this amount and do 3 times this one. Okay, I did on, and it's my number 2 bridging, and it's loading, and my sign transaction, my you know my my gas fee is low, therefore they like they don't accept me here to doing transaction, so reject. And how do you get more transaction amount of token, I will show you now. So maybe if you have VPN, I have this VPN, and connect your any change your IP in one word. So and go your Chrome browser, and here search BTC faucet. Okay, BTC faucet, testnet faucet, and that page will bring it to you here coin faucet. Click on there, and that page will pop into their exactly their website, and here you will get your thing. So one address will get once a day uh, a faucet like 0.00 like 1 something like that. It's too low, but if you do multiple, I will suggest you just to go to your Unisat wallet and convert your multiple wallet. Okay, now I'm showing you exactly. If you don't understand how to do that, okay, sorry for misleading click. So here my first account, and I wanna okay, here my first account. I copy this thing. Okay, so now I click on this plus button and create an account. It's my 13 account, and now if I copy this thing and paste here, it will be done. It will, like, they will provide me some cash for in order to accomplish like testnet. Okay, it is not working now because my network has been like doing problem. I'm showing you it will be worked. um i I confirm that it will be worked. It's my network problem now. So wait a minute here, and let me refresh this page. Okay, put here and click on get Bitcoin. If it is work, it will be okay. To the number of requests. Okay, so now here is your captcha. Bridge. Okay, verify and reach our limit. So if you face this problem again in the BTC faucet, just try it after a while, and try another website. I would suggest you to do like this one is perfect, I would say. Okay, you just, but they provide so low amount of you know so put your address here, and maybe 2 is the at least, like 2 is their biggest thing. So they provide. So the another thing I will show you here. So here is, if I do now, if you okay, same problem, insufficient balance. Okay, BTC. Okay, because I am in the 13 account. Okay, if I go my first one, here is added. So now if I go here and now click on transfer, maybe it will be done. Okay, same problem I'm showing you, and check again BTC faucet, the coin faucet. It is provide a lot of enough BTC for you. So now it is. So here if you notice that my another account I used to get faucet, and here I wanna just send my faucet into um, that is connected with my first account there, and I post that account address here. Okay, this on my account address here, and I do max for transfer. Oh, insufficient again here. So I do custom 10. Okay, it is not work maybe. Okay, sign to pay is failed. It doesn't work here by the this way. So anyways, uh let's say I'm gonna do 100. It doesn't work. uh, so we need to wait for getting faucet. Okay, so that will be done. Okay, so try in a day, like on to three time by your new account, and send, like I'm showing you. Like here is bridge transaction, they decreased their bridge transaction that was 10 time, but now it's 3 time. Okay, it has been easy for you to do. Okay, so the technique is, uh, first you will get 24 hours later BTC faucet from this website. Okay, and the technique is just turn on your VPN and change your IP, and after what you do, just paste your, you know paste your Unisat new wallet. And after, like, let's say you create new wallet, this one 13, and you will get from this account some faucet, and click on the send button and paste your first account that you wanna accomplish, that transaction of Zulu Brace. Okay, in order to accomplish those transaction by that account, and send those paste here exact address, certain address. So let's say this one my address. So click on max and click on next, and it will be done after a while. And you can do that after bridging inside of this bridging section. Okay, and it's 3 time, it has been easy, you can do that. So feel free to do that. And now I'm checking over and over again this site, because of I need some faucet in order to accomplish the bridging section here. So if you get any problem, feel free to check out comment box, and you will get my Telegram channel, and here you will get my Telegram ID, and you can talk with me on, you can call me, you can message me, no problem. Okay, come into and check out the comment box. So see you later in the next time, and it will be done because I have some time to do in airdrop. Like I do airdrop 2 hour, like 9 10 to 12. I have a routine. So I will show you, like there is like a lot of I have I have a community where people earn over 10,000 to $50,000 from on project. Okay, so feel free to come here, I will help you to doing airdrop. Okay, as well as I do this thing, so I can. So the video is wrap up here. Maybe I will uh, see you again in the tomorrow, because each type publish on video about airdrop, new airdrop, updating airdrop. Okay, see you later.